So does the RSI really work as an indicator? That's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to go over what it is and how I use it in my trading and show you the right way to use it and the wrong way to use it. So first, let's go over here to Investopia and look at the actual definition. The Relative Strength Index, the RSI, is one of the most widely used momentum indicators in technical analysis. It helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions and generates potential buy and sell signals. So here we are over on the charts, and you see we have the price action here. This is the regular session in the black and the after hours in the gray on the left and the right. This indicates the open of the evening session, this blue line. The best way to use the RSI is in conjunction with other aspects of your trading plan, such as levels. It can be daily high, daily low, supply side liquidity, buy side liquidity, order blocks, fair value gaps, anything that you use to identify your levels. I myself use the RSI as the third part of my trading plan. It's just a confirmation of a thesis, and I found that works best for my trading plan. So let's come over here and I will show you what's going on here. The best way I like to use it is a divergence. Some people say it doesn't work, and that's fine with them. It does work for me. That's all that matters. There's a million ways to skin a cat, and there's a million ways to make money in this market, and this is just the way I do it. And this is not financial advice at all, so take that with a grain of salt. This is for education purposes only. So here we see the price opens up here at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. It continues to go in the upwards direction, and the RSI is making lower highs. So it's going in the downward direction. That is the classic definition of a divergence. Price goes up, RSI goes down. There's something wrong here. And that's what I like to look for at my levels. So first thing I look for is my levels. Then I look for deviations. That's a whole different subject. And then I look for divergence, which is one of my favorite, RSI divergence. And that confirms that it's a good time to take a short. And as you can see, the price went down, went down, went down, came down, came down. RSI kept coming down, flattened out here. And this is the second way that I use the RSI. So I use it in two different ways, at the top and at the bottom. At the top, I look for divergence, and that's a 2 point, 1, 2. As you can see, there's one top, two tops here, divergence. As the price is going up, RSI is coming down. Now on the bottom here, for a buy signal, what I look for is a trend going down, and then hits one of my levels, of course. And as the third, and once it hits my levels, I look for a few other things, such as candlestick patterns, timing of the day, as well as this right here for the RSI. So what I look for here on the bottom of the RSI, of course it's down here in oversold area, but what I look for is the 3 drive, 1, 2, 3, as well as divergence, of course. So RSI is going up, and I look for these 3 drives, 1, 2, 3, specifically. And the third one is the best time I find it is to buy. So that's when I start buying. When it comes down here, and these are, as you can see, these are higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low. Well, this is the low. This is a higher low and a higher low, and price is still coming down. So I see that, and I'm like, there's a clear divergence there as well, and maybe it is time to buy. And as you can see, here is the bottom. RSI is going up, price is coming down. Something's not adding up. So there is something going on in the market that doesn't gel. And I look for that to take advantage of the situation. Then I place a buy here, and I ride it up. And like I said, I use that in conjunction with levels, liquidity sweeps, round number levels. As you can see here is 18,800. We're in the Nasdaq, by the way, and this is on the 3-minute chart. I want to reiterate that. I use it on the 3-minute chart. Very, very important. Another time that I love to use the bottom 3 drive is in the afternoon. So this here is at 11 o'clock, 11:20-ish. So this is a trade that I would consider because it is right at 11 o'clock, right around 11. I'd be looking at this and I would take it. Those would be my 2 trades for the day and I'd be done. The way I don't use the RSI is just to look for when it reaches the overbought and oversold positions and blindly take a trade. That is definitely not the way to use the RSI. The best way is to use it in conjunction with your trading plan as a 3rd level. That's how I do it. I'm not saying that's how you should do it, but that is how I do it and it works for me. So if this video helped in any way, give it a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you in the next video.